What's up YouTubes, Jim again with another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your alternator on your 1.4 Fiat Punto. Let's get started. To start, we need to disconnect the battery by removing the negative terminal. Next, we need to remove the auxiliary belt by turning the adjuster clockwise with a 13mm spanner. If you have aircon, remove this aircon pipe bracket. It's a 10mm bolt. Next up, remove the 13mm and 8mm cables on the back of the alternator. Now that's done, we can remove the three 13mm bolts that hold the alternator on. The first two bolts are located at the bottom of the alternator, the last one is located at the top, and it's a bit of a pain to get to. I find the best way to get to it is with a small extension and a small 13mm socket from underneath the vehicle. Once all the bolts are removed, you can now use a lever bar just to free the alternator off the dowels. Now you can remove the alternator. If you've got aircon, you will have to wiggle it past the aircon pipe, which can be a bit tight, but it will come out. Always check that your new alternator is exactly the same as the old one. All the terminals are in the right place, it's exactly the same shape, and that the ampage is exactly the same. Okay, now that's all done, we can rebuild it in the reverse order. Well, that's it for today's video guys. If you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos weekly. Until next time, peace.